is indigenous to Indian subcontinent and it is widespread in many Asian and African countries and has also been introduced in tropical regions. Being tolerant to salinity, alkalinity and drought, it thrives well in poor soils. Neem tree is mainly grown as avenue tree. Neem is known as Arishta in Sanskrit language, which means relieving sickness. The earliest Sanskrit writings mention about its medicinal uses. Neem leaves are used in temples to ward off evil effects. Neem oil has anti-helminthic properties and given to children for deworming. Neem oil and neem leaf paste are used to treat rheumatism and skin diseases. Neem leaves are hung in front of the houses as germicides. The air under neem tree is also considered good for health. In earlier days, people used to chew and eat tender leaves every day, which helped to purify the blood. For centuries, the tree has been held in esteem by Indian folk because of its medicinal and insecticidal value. Mixing neem leaves with grains during storage and keeping dried leaves between folds of cloth to protect them against various storage insects is an age-old practice. However, use of neem for pest control declined with the advent of synthetic broad-spectrum insecticides.
During the last decade, the neem tree has come under close scrutiny of the entomologists around the world as the most promising source of natural insecticides. About 200 species of insects belonging to different orders are adversely affected by neem products. The active principles or the bitters in the neem are limonoids, a group of tetranotriterpenoids. The best known active principle is azadirachtin, which has high insecticidal potential. The other important active principles are melantriol, solanin, nimbidin and vapol. Neem products have diverse biological effects which modify the behavior and physiology of insects. The complex array of components present in neem products act as repellent, antifeedant, metamorphosis inhibitor, growth and development inhibitor, mating disruptant, oviposition inhibitor and ovicide. To prepare 5% neem seed kernel extract, 50 grams of powdered neem seed kernel is soaked in 1 liter of water for 12 hours. The contents are filtered through muslin cloth and the filtrate is made up to 1 liter by adding water. One ml of T-pol is mixed with this to act as surfactant before spraying.
For spraying an acre, 10 kg of neem seed kernel and 200 ml of T-pol are required. Neem oil 2% emulsion is prepared by mixing 20 ml of neem oil with 2 ml of T-pol in a bottle. This mixture is added to 1 liter of water. Stirred vigorously for 5 minutes and sprayed. Coated urea, neem cake is powdered and passed through 2 mm sieve. This is blended with urea at 1:5 ratio. The mixture is allowed to stand for 12 hours or overnight and applied basally at the time of planting. Neem seed bitter is prepared by soaking 250 grams of powdered neem seed kernel in 1 liter of water for 12 hours. The contents are first filtered through muslin cloth and then through Wattman No. 4 filter paper. The filtrate is dehydrated in a freeze dryer or lyophilizer until a brownish crystalline powder form of neem seed bitter is obtained. Application of neem coated urea at the time of planting reduces the incidence of stem borer. Coating of urea with neem cake results in slow release of nitrogen, which in turn reduces the pest infestation. Neem cake slows down the nitrification process.
Need-based spraying of neem oil 2% or aqueous neem seed kernel extract 5% effectively reduces population of brown plant hopper, green leaf hopper and earhead bug and the infestation by leaf folder and gall midge. Laboratory studies conducted indicated that neem oil adversely affected the settling response Feeding, growth and development of brown plant hopper Neem. Adult survival and fecundity of brown plant hopper decreased significantly on neem oil treated plants. Neem oil is also found to affect the yeast-like endosymbionts of brown plant hopper. The neem seed bitters effectively disturbed the growth and development of green leaf hoppers. The number of limbs that becomes adult is significantly low on bitter treated plants. It is effective even at lower concentration of 100 ppm. Need-based spraying of 0.5% neem oil gives significant protection against the incidence of whitefly, a notorious pest of cotton. Spraying of neem seed kernel extract 5% 2 times at 50% flowering and 15 days later can effectively protect pigeon pea, black gram and chickpea from the damage by spot borers.
Mixing pulse grains such as pigeon pea and green gram with neem oil or neem seed kernel powder at 1% concentration offers protection against the attack of pulse beetles for 10 to 12 months. The treatment of grains with neem products results in reduction in oviposition and egg hatchability and mortality of beetles. Similarly, in cereals and millets, neem oil and neem seed kernel powder can effectively check the damage by important storage insects like Cytophilus oryzae, Rhizopatha dominica, and Cytotrocha cerealela. Neem products prevent the feeding of these insects and thereby reduce the grain damage. Stored grain protection with neem products is highly safe, economical and non-toxic to higher animals and human beings, unlike synthetic insecticides. Neem products have got many advantages. Non-toxic to human beings and higher animals, leave no residues and do not cause pollution, safer to natural enemies like wool spider, myriad bugs, Trichogramma species, etc. As neem products possess an array of chemicals which act on behavior and physiological processes, chances of insect pests developing resistance to neem products are remote. Economical and easy to prepare and apply. Neem products can be effectively used as one of the integrated pest management components in agriculture. Neem products are useful to treat many human ailments and also play an important role in plant protection.